Running a business is already challenging, but when your invoices, expenses, bank accounts, payments, and financial reports are not properly organized, managing your business can quickly become overwhelming. You may be making sales and working harder than ever, but do you really understand where your money is going? Do you know which areas of your business are profitable? Are your accounts reconciled correctly? And are your financial records ready when you need to make an important decision? QuickBooks can help organize and simplify your business finances, but simply having the software is not enough. You need to understand how to use it correctly. QuickBooks Training Courses provides practical, instructor-led training designed to help you take control of your financial records. Our training is ideal for business owners, entrepreneurs, office administrators, bookkeepers, accountants, and freelancers who want to improve their financial skills. Whether you are new to QuickBooks or want to strengthen your existing knowledge, the course is designed to provide practical guidance you can use. These are not generic pre-recorded lessons that leave you searching for answers on your own. Students participate in live online classes with an experienced instructor. You can follow the material step by step, ask questions, see how the processes work, and learn through real-world examples. During the training, you will learn essential QuickBooks functions, including how to set up and navigate your company information and organize your chart of accounts. You'll master managing customers and vendors, creating professional invoices, and receiving payments efficiently to keep your cash flow moving. We'll show you how to enter bills, track expenses, and manage accounts payable so you never miss a deadline or a deduction. You will also learn how to work with banking transactions, reconcile accounts, and understand payroll processes correctly from day one. Most importantly, you will learn how to use financial information to better understand what is happening inside your business. QuickBooks should do more than store transactions. It should help you stay organized, improve accuracy, save time, and avoid costly mistakes. Understanding your numbers can give you greater confidence when managing your business, preparing for tax season, or working with an accountant. It's about planning for future growth with a clear view of your financial health. That's why our training is designed to be as convenient as it is comprehensive. The training is offered live online, allowing you to participate conveniently from your home or office. Courses are available in both English and Spanish. Students who complete the program receive a certificate of completion, and you'll even have the opportunity to retake the course for free within 6 months. Think about how much a bookkeeping mistake or a disorganized financial system could cost your business. This training is an investment in your future. Upcoming classes may fill quickly, so don't wait to reserve your spot. It's time to take control of your numbers and manage your finances with confidence. Visit QuickBooksTrainingCourses.com today to explore the course information, review upcoming training opportunities, and reserve your place. Take control of your numbers, build a valuable professional skill, and manage your business finances with greater confidence. One day is all it takes. Visit www.QuickBooksTrainingCourses.com and register today. We look forward to seeing you in class and helping you master QuickBooks once and for all.